Namaste everyone, Master Praveen. I'm very much excited to visit in Silchar first time. I travel a lot in India and I travel a lot around the world, but this will be my first time when I am going to be organize my yoga workshop 2 days in the Silchar, Assam. So guys, you all are welcome to join this event. This event for everyone, means you are a yoga practitioner, you are a yoga teacher, you are doing a yoga long time, you are just a beginner, or you are planning to start the yoga. So anyone can be join this event because we give the theme yoga for all. In this event will be focused on the traditional and the modern style of doing the yoga, asana alignment, yoga techniques, asana anatomy, how is the work, and yoga as a profession, means you can be also grown up with the yoga because you can make a career in the yoga itself, because you can also become a yoga teacher in this field. So everyone can be join this event, and you can be contact with Miss Nikita Paul. She is a founder of Root Yoga Studio in the Silchar. She is taking care of the offline event. If someone want to be join this event online, so you can be contact with Miss Priyamana. They both are my very talented teacher, certified yoga teacher. And guys, you will learn a lot in this event and give me chance to serve you and give me chance to let's come in between you and discuss, share, practice, and then you will be learn so many new things about the yoga. So see you soon in the Silchar. The event will be organized on the 2nd and 3rd of September, morning 7 to 8:30. You need other details. Under this video you will find the link. Please go through with that link and you can be enroll yourself. We put just one nominal price for it. एक छोटा सा price है, enroll it, book it, because we have the limited seat guys. And after this event you will be also receive the certificate from the Praveen Yoga Academy. So thank you so much and see you soon in Silchar. Namaste, Hari Om, Om Shanti.